Hmm? Good morning. Today we are going to see the last session of the story or the speech given by the Steve Jobs. First of all, let us do the recap. In recap, what we have seen that there are three stories, but we have seen the two stories previously. In that last two stories, the first story in which Steve was a college-going boy. He continued his college regularly till 6 months, and when he felt it disinteresting, he left the particular course, and he still was in connection with the college for next 18 months. The upcoming 18 months. After that, he learned the calligraphy and writing font and typing things, and this was the first stories where he was little bit financially suffering, and he did everything well in that first stories, and he learned lot many new types of font and faces, and he invented it very well, and this was done till the 20 of his year. After that, this was the first story. The second story was when he got love and lost too. Love means met one woman whose name was Lauren, and they both get married and they were having happy family. But the loss was he was fired from the company he was fired from which company where he has given his 100%, and not only 100%, but he was the core founder member of that company. When the company was the cottage type, very small company it was, in two cottages it was started. At that time, he has given whole heart and soul for his company, but unfortunately, after the completion of 10 years, after his 10-year contribution, he was fired from the company. This was the loss, and again he has to start with the zero. So he continued it after so big loss, and again he got selected to the another company that was Pixar and Next. And after that 10 years again, means after that his contribution to that company, they fired, but he didn't give up. He gave his 100% again from the zero. शून्य से उन्होंने शुरुआत की. They started from the zero, and just like nothing, with full enthusiasm and potential. And after that, today the world is getting best animation from the Pixar company. He was there. He was the part and parcel of that company. And after that, again he take over with the Apple company, from which he was fired. And now everything was okay. The third and last stories. After everything was okay, family and all, he was suffering from health issue, and this was the story of his death. He was going to die. When doctor says that to Steve that Steve was diagnosed with the cancer, pancreatic cancer. Doctor said that he is suffering from pancreatic cancer. So now he is not having any time. So he must live with his family. Means he should give 100% to his family, so that these are last days of his life. So he should not get busy into the work. He should contribute it toward his family, so that when he will die, they should not cry too much, and they should not feel too much. But according to the principle of Steve work on that principle, that live your every day as it is your last day. अपना हर दिन ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो. This was the Steve Jobs principle of living the life. So though the doctor said that thing, he was not worried about that. But after the diagonization, okay, he diagnosed with the cancer, which was pancreatic cancer, right? So the doctor came to know it was curable cancer by the surgery. So he got cured after the surgery, and after the surgery the author recovered. After the recovery, this shows that and then after that he told us that your time is very limited. Your time is very limited, so don't ever you live someone's another life, and don't waste your time for that. Means he has given the thought that our time is limited. We must not waste in living someone's life, someone's else life. हमारा जीवन सीमित है, तो हमें किसी दूसरे की जिंदगी, दूसरों की नज़रिए से या फिर दूसरों की ज़िंदगी जीने में कोई अर्थ नहीं, कोई मतलब नहीं है। आप अपनी ज़िंदगी अपने हिसाब से, अपने तरीके से जियो एंड गिव 100% टू योर ओन टास्क। डोंट बी द फुटबॉल ऑफ अदर पीपल ओपिनियन, इन दिस वे ही टोल्ड। एंड बेसिकली साधारण सी बात है, अगर आप मरते मरते बचते हो, he had also saved from he just dashed the death, मतलब वो मौत के पास से गुजर गए। तो जब कोई आदमी मौत से वापस आता है, मौत से लड़के वापस आता है, when he fight with the death and come back, at that time he came to know the value of his life, and at that moment he told this thought कि don't live the someone else life because your time is limited। उन्होंने कहा कि हमारा समय सीमित है, हम बता नहीं सकते हम कल मरेंगे, आज मरेंगे, कब मरेंगे, इसलिए हमें हमारी ज़िंदगी हमारे तरीके से जीनी है, उसमें 100% डाल के जीना है। और जो हमारी इच्छा है करियर से रिलेटेड, कुछ अच्छा करने से रिलेटेड, तो वो हमें दिल से करना है और खुद से करना है, ना कि किसी के कहने पे, ना किसी के प्रभाव में, अपितु इंटरेस्ट से, बाय आवर ओन हार्ट एंड सोल इंटरेस्ट। ओके, थैंक यू।